May kulay. No. Please.
Use head and shoulders every day to prevent dandruff and headache from coming back. And stay up to 100% dandruff-free
Good
every day.
evening.
Head and shoulders.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. 12 people here. I 12, 1, 2 thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Hello.
Good eyesight makes perfect moments. For expert eye care, state-of-the-art facilities, affordable eyewear.
Thank you for 2 people here. Thank you, guys. Kung hindi ngayon, walang bangtang panahon dahil na handa. Thank you for the thumbs up.
Tired of underarm darkness? There's a serum for that. Oh, it's a milk deal? New Milk Deodorant Serum with 3% niacinamide and 10 times collagen. Bye. For even tone.
Don't you want to like I need you, baby? Don't. Hi.
Mommy to the rescue!
Thank you for the sunset. Rinaldo Morales. Hola, Hermosa. Hello. Hola, Hermosa. Hi, Rinaldo Morales. Thank you, Sonogo Heart. Thank you for giving the heart. 3 people giving the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Thank you for 10 people watching. Thank you so much. Hello, GR Verola. Hi, beautiful lady. Hello, beautiful lady from GR Verola. Thank you.
Pilipinas ay pa-excited kapag may pumaasa sa'yo. Sa galay, pusok maliit sa tulong ng Parex by 51.
Thank you for the 4 thumbs up, guys. Kilinda, Sondresa, Tammy, and Mosa. Hi. What it means, Rinaldo. Gileto Kalodon. Hey, Gileto. Bachay Kurat. Hi, the beers. I'm here. Hi, the beers. Dinner to Guapa. GR Verola. Hola do Brazil, amor. Hi, Jordan Costa. Hi, Jordan. Thank you for the 18 people here. Thank you so much. Asaka dire. Sa Pilipinas. I'm glad you're hit the bear. You're here the bear. Hi po, shoutout po from Olongapo City. Gandang gabi po. Ian Christian Eclevia. Thank you for the 19 people here, 18 people here watching. Thank you for the 6 thumbs up, guys. Well, she told me what you said to her about courting her in secret. Oh my. Sa lugar ni mo, Bicol po, Bicol. What you from? What I from? I'm from Philippines. O, sige, ako na nag-adjust. I'm from Philippines. Reds. Team, it's joke, brother. Yes, it's a joke. I know it's a joke. It's a joke, team. Very good. What? Do you have a muscle? You want to see a muscle? Well, after that. Well, after that comment, we both agreed to kick you out and ban you. I don't trust you. Oh my God, I don't trust you. Asawa ka ni? What it means? No, it's not. It's not. He's gone, Sheryl. What? There are someone else I'm speaking to. Okay. Mga panahon ng pagkakataon, may ibabalik pa ba ng kahapon? Hindi na. Hindi na may babalik yung kahapon. Kung hindi mo man nagawa nung nakaraan, pwede mong sulitin ngayon. Mas pagandahin mo pa yung magandang mas mapapaganda po pa yung magandang alaala. Magagawa mo ngayon. Then go to them. Natatandaan mo pa ba? Igunihit kong puso sa punong mangga, yun lang. Wala akong ganun eh. Walang ganun na nangyari sa buong buhay ko. Walang ganung love story. May paguhit-guhit pa sa puno ng mangga. Sana all may ganun. Sachin Davi, not a joke because you speak your language. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Why you hide? Why you hide him? English, Sheryl. No, I read the comments about Little Baldero. Sheryl. Jerson Alcover, wag masyado seryoso. Try mo din dumandi minsan. Yun lang. Landi-landi, no? Naku, mapapahamak tayo dyan eh. Sa ganyang mindset. Sure, we'll talk about this. Okay. Okay, Sam. Calm down. Ngayon, ikaw ay nagbalik katulad pa rin ng iyong pananamit. Ang galing mo. Ang galing ng mo. Pwede natin gawing kanta yan. Ikaw ay nagbalik. Anthony Zapanta, what it means. Idea ni mo. Makita ang dating kanlungan. El Little Baldero. And Jonah, Little English. I think, hello, tawag. Ano? Garen Miss John Reyes. Anong ibig mong sabihin? Garen. Sultan Yakuza. Ay! Ganda mo, no? Gwapo mo. Siguro pag nakita kita in personal, artistahin to. Alakpakan. Bravo. It's okay. Kung totoo man yan, nako, sa'yo galing yan. Don't worry. If it's a joke, it's okay. It's fine. Gwapa ni mo po. Where from? I'm from Philippines. Nag-isip pa no? Sheryl English. I speak because I answer. Not all here join speak English, so we need to say them that they need to speak English because you need to understand them. Hello ma'am, good evening po. Good evening, Kabarangay Channel 24. Hanip yan. Paputukin kaya kita. Hello po, Tamsak Danhos. Roger Vlog Official. Hi, Roger Vlog. Sahadat Laskar. Everyone speak English from team. Do you have a boyfriend? Hi, Ozzy. Yes, I have. God bless. Why are you? Why are you? I don't know. Why are you so beautiful? Maybe you're blind. Charot. Hug so godless. Thank you. Bobby Hom. Hello, again, Cheryl. You're still beautiful and getting famous. Sana all getting famous. I hope. Charot. Te. Do you like USA, man? I have money. If you have money, you can share it at to everyone need financial. Oh my goodness. I didn't. Maybe you need to delete him because I not yet read. Oh my god. I'm almost done. I slap little English. Kung hindi ngayon, kailan bang tamang panahon? Kailan ba?
Bakit ako matandaan? I own this house. Of course, dito nga namatay na lang. Dahil pagkain, ang nanay at iba't lasag ang pangalang kalalato ko. Kung ako sa inyong mga kapatid, wala na kayang dalawan. Paano? Babalik yan. Sino yung sinasabi niyo? Yung asawa niyo po ba?
Marites Mabakiao. Hi, Marites. May Claudia. Have you heard from Philip from yesterday? From Philip? What Philip say? What Philip? What about Philip? Hi, Prabhakar Naidu. I'm sorry I'm not good in English, but I'm trying my best to recall my knowledge. Oh wow. I think you are smart, little. Your English is very well. Hi, Jerry. Hello, my love and team.
Now more affordable in a suited bag.
Marites Mabekio.
Feel aircon cool. Safeguard.
Stephen Pauls Delaford. Hello, B. Have a good night. Just passing through bless. Thank you, Sir Stephen Pauls. From a holy soil and this comments toy on the Briganta. Guys, skip the comments. We don't go your home and shit on the floor, so don't. Oh my god. Mary and Greg, do you remember me? I was your first subscriber. Mary and Greg? Oh my god. No, I think you're not my first subscriber. No, you're not. I know what I'm the first time here on YouTube. I love your singing. You're amazing. Maybe a little. No, you're good, little Dodero in English. For what it means, Franay. What happened with the bikini? Tomorrow I try. Hello, my dear. How are you doing this evening? I'm doing live and I'm doing live and talk to you guys. Hello, pretty lady fish flex. You miss it, Jerry. Sensible man, you look amazing as always. In team. Thank you for the time sec. 18 people here. 18 time sec. 18 people here. Thank you so much. Don't try to cooling back. Thank you for the 19 time sec, guys. May sawa. Malapit na akong mag-asawa. Kunting kimbot na lang. Thank you for the 15 people. 19 thumbs up, thank you guys. 21 thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. By the way, host, can I ask you something? If okay with you, it's okay for me. Ask. It's okay. You can ask. What is your question? The question for today. In English, little. Ralph Hasler. Hi Ralph. Sahar Boss 444. Hi. Will you be singing later on? I will. I try. What the sing I can song? What a song I sing. Mali. What a song. Bobby, she sings all day long. I always sing. Ralph Passler, Dutch. I don't understand. Maybe you are Dutch from what the Dutch land? Denmark. Ben Boca. Hi. I don't understand. Maybe you need to translate it in English. Ralph Passler, because I don't understand the denim one. In denim land. What it means. I don't understand Arabic language. Sorry. Ralph, English. Oh my god. Kulang na kulang ba? All day long. I'm always singing. I'm always singing. Can be too much. Yes, all day long, Bobby. Thank you, Ralph, Pastor. Your father, I think, is a carpenter, is a farmer. My father is a farmer. He's a farmer. Me, I'm a farmer also. I'm a farm worker too. Even in her sleep. I'm walking, I sing when I'm walking. Well, I'm working, while I'm working, I sing. Hi, good morning. Hi, Ricky Alves. Hello, Franny. Hi, Franny. What do you mean? What do you mean? Saya Mix Vlog. Hi. Thank you, Sir Ralph Pastor. Okay. Pahinging bigas. Wala na akong masahe. Alam mo, kahit magsasaka kami, nawawalan kami ng bigas. Totoo. Crisis yung mga magsasaka. Mahirap. Hello, Mommy Dorado. Franny, can you translate it in English? Little, I said English. Next time you get time out. He tried to speak in English. Maybe you need to, I don't understand. Bro. Thank you for the thumbs up. Pero seryoso, single ka pa ba? Hindi na. Hindi na single. Getting married na. Getting married soon. He speaks in English. He has been here before. Yeah, maybe he translated in English. So that's why. Hi. Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Inuhos mo na. Thank you for the 20 people here. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, alright. Oman 25. Thank you, Oman. See, he speak English. Met element. Wagyono Sadya. Thank you po. Gab! Gabriel! Gab! Batman. Showman Lambiznizu. Hi mom, I'm back. Hi Showman. Hi 9 people times up. Watching 18 people watching here. Sorry. 27 thumbs up. Thank you guys. I haven't give up yet. Why? For sure. Are you sleepy? No, not now. Maybe just a little bit of tired. Remember me? I was in the last live stream talking about girlfriends in the Philippines. Okay. You're not give up. Good job. Oyon. Hello, magandang umaga. Car na yun, Money. Car na yun. Ano yun? sticker na yun. Zoren Wagas. Hi, Zoren. Oh my God. Enrique Alves. Kids, hi vlog. Welcome to my guys. Hi Pigs. Hin, give up. Give up. Ayaw nga niya mag-give up eh. He don't want to. A kiss. Kiss, kiss. What it means sa Anad Pamar. Info bukaan tambak may niya. Hi. Hi Charmaine. Ano ang meron ma'am sa'yo? Wala. Bakit? Wala. Ano lang? Utang. Utang yung meron sa akin. Maraming utang. Ay. Buhay. Wala lang. Wala lang. Hiko. Hi, Hiko. From me, sorry. I don't understand. Sorry. Por favor, me extranjero que te muevas. Como me... What it means? Guys, English. Gab! Gabriel! Are you married? No, not yet. Married. Musta ang pamilya? Okay naman ang pamilya. Ako, basta ako, okay lang ako. How old are I'm 40 years old. 40 years old. 40. Gab! Gabriel! Gab! Gabriel! Thank you for eating people. Franny. Hi, Franny. From English is good evening, beautiful Sheryl. Thank you, Sir Chester Hexam. How are you, sir? Sino po si Gabriel? Si Gabriel ay ang aking anak. My only son. Uniko iho. Magliwang kabado. Magliwang bado. Mamagkaon na. Magliwang mahuluson. Ano mo? Magliwang bado. Ayaw mo na pagpilipan. Tapos ano ulo mo? Ano mama? Be a rig. He is vegan. Gabis. Sip hugs. What means? Pigs is taken. Pigs. I'm taken. Taken by you. Nah. Ay, sino ang love mo? Ang love ko ay si Tim. My love Tim. Jem to George. May pusit dito. Sige ko ano. Greetings from United States. Emery Daniels from United States. Shout out to you from Philippines. Shout out to you from Philippines. Emery Daniel.
Everybody needs a gentle scare down there. Dapat. Hey, share.
Matalik ko si Mamay. Mata. Sarado na? Sarado na? Magagi ka sa likod ko, nabrido pa sa likod. Toy on France. Call Heiko. Ah, you're from France. Call Heiko. Heiko. Hello, Alexander Calamares. Calamatis. Sorry. Hi for 19 people watching. And thank you for the 3D Tamsek. You need to teach him how to shut the door. Shut the door.
Kasama sa buhay. May powers ka. Parang mayaman din tayo ni Santa. Oh, shucks. Sinigang ang request.
Thank you for the Tamsek. Beautiful smile. Hi team. Here's all mine. Ayan tayo. Ayan tayo. Magagalit yan ng bonggang-bonggang boy-boy. Ang kulay. Beautiful smile, thank you. Namatay ang aking aso. Bakit? Hello there. Bakit namatay? So nice. What's up, Ben? Bakit po namatay? Bobby Weekend photo into dumb thoughts. Bien. What bien means? Thank you for the 32 times, Zach. May gulay. Josh Rivera. Hi, Josh. Emma Gwenting. What it means. Well, when to come to America? Want to come to America? It means good. Ah, okay. It means good, bien. Good luck po, idol. Thank you, vlogging with Ariel. Thank you po, Franny. Quiero kita Paris. Nice mejor. God bless you all. Thank you, vlogging with Ariel. Thank you so much. Thank you for passing by. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Charmaine, na injury ang paa at na infection at namatay. Ah, okay. Hi, Junior Garza. Hello.
Lemex 40 syrup at Lemex 40 capsule. Para sa ginhawang ramdam, Lemex 40. Tigil ang ika. Tigil ang hinala.
James La France. Ah, you are from France. You are from La France. You are from France. Welcome to the Philippines. Call Heiko. Guys, speak English. Gab. Gab. Gabriel. Gab. I must all hurt Bobby.
Dahil hindi dito. Dahil nakabito.
Sa mga pinggan. Taas. Sa baba, sa mga pinggan. May pinggan. Opa, andi rin. Meron sa mga. I must occur Bobby feelings. I'm bringing her back to the USA when I get there. Oh my God. Bye, Mom. Bye, Charmaine. Oh my God. How old are you, Bobby? Corn. Right? And when is that happening? See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Charmaine. G, oh no, what it means? Kampansa Gregorius. Hey girls, so pretty, thank you. Kampansa. How are you doing? Anything for me? Is Z Chica. His unit 12. Huh? Unit 12? Thank you for the 20 people here. 25 thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. 14 people here. Thank you so much.
Sa wikang Pilipino, makulay ang kwento ng mga Pilipino.
And USA. USA.
Wala man.
Sige, okay lang. Thank you, guys.
Wala kaming ginagawa masama. Kaya wala kang karapatan para magdanda kami ganyan. Walang iya ka talaga. Mahirap pang tanggapin na yung kinamumuhian mo, marami nang sumusuportang tao. Para ako! Bakit? Sino pinagmamala kayo magindi? Ito mga tao! Mapinayaran nyo! Hindi na ako wala ka lang pinayaran dyan.
What?
Ang kapal ng mukha mo.
Too much info for you. You don't need to know that. You don't even know where she lives. Hi po, Tommy Pungasi. I'm from Philippines. Kampansi. Minsor Talible. Hi. So sure you're gonna marry Bobby? Huh? What? Kumusta po ikaw? Okay lang. Hi tita, pinatulan ni Tim si Bobby. Alam na nagbibiro lang yan eh. I know more than you think. Oh my God. No, you don't. Tim, Bobby is just joking. Oh my God. I live here in the Philippines. Oh my gulay. Hello po, darling Mustang. Jerry. Hey. Bobby, yes I know. Bambi, hi Bambi. Eric. Lubing Gagor. Hi. Bambi. Hi, Bambi. Astorias. Sudanda sa Panyapon. Pangabihon. Well, joke or no joke, good way to get dismissed. What? You Shay? Yeah, I'm Shay. Yes, I'm Shay. Hi, Sheryl, masyadong maingay doon. Saan? Maingay doon sa kabila. Yung TV po, maingay. Tapos sa kabila, may basketball. Wala tayong papuntahan ito. My favorite boxer is from Philippines. The Manny Pacquiao. Sorry for what? What? Why you say sorry, love? Ano ulam mo? Puset. Dwayne, wishing you love. What? Wishing you love, peace, and happiness. Thank you, Dwayne. I can hear you with all that noise. Wait. Gab! Gabriel! Patayan din na kamarbukon. Kasi sarado mo ng pinto. Patayan ng TV. Sarado mo ng pinto. Oh, yes. My God. Sabi nga ano. Nabubungol ako sa ingay. Sarip po. Having a peace of mind now. A little bit peace. Can you go somewhere that's a quieter? I now no TV now. A little quiet now, Tita Mar. It's the TV her parents watching, Tita. Yes, loud. They watching TV loud. Maybe it's just me. Bad hearing on my end. Namin gasudaan last. Ayan po. I love tacos. Me too. I love tacos too. I'm here again. Hi, channel. Nice body pa. Hi, team. Shout out from Tita Marie. Hi, from channel. Front A. It is getting cold in Canada now, Tita. I might ever bit vlog. Hi, bit vlog. GC weight love. Hi, Beth from channel. Miss. Yes, Manny Pacquiao versus Mayweather. This is so good. Oh my god. It's going to take 15 hours to get there. Huh? Nangasar ko. It's getting chilly at night. The days are still warm. Fall is coming. Sami po nga si, pwede ka po ba bisitahin? Naku, hindi pwede. Naku, magagalit yung magulang ko. Kim. Hi, Franny. Hello, channel from BitVlog. Angelo Pipito. Hello, can you shout out me on your live? What? It's deleted. Oh my god. Oh no. Hi, Pankaj. I want TV 15 minutes. 15 hours. Elia Place. Hi, beautiful from South Africa. Elia Place. I'm at hotel. I'm at a hotel right now. Heading back to the city. You are at our farmhouse. Wow. Sana all. How I wish. Having a what a dream. Having a farmhouse. Farmland. Mahal ko ang iyong puso, hindi ang iyong katawan. Pakakasalan mo ba ako? Ang daling sabihin I'm connected to you now, ma'am. Thank you, BitVlog. PC po, pwede po ba? No. Ba, grabe da mo pili alang dada mo apamday. Grabe naman sa damo apam. Nag-comment man lang sa DTI. Hi, Becky Porer. Ilaya Place. Farmhouse where? Dako agud ni mo kaon be. Dako-dako na nga gigihungit ko. Sounds like a kampong. What's like a kampong? The 10-hour drive is trying, so we stopped and stayed at a hotel for the night. Ah, okay, tita. Enjoy your vacation with Tito Tim and Tito Tim. Tito Stefan. Oh my God. Tito Tim. Tami English, please. Sagazen. Hi, Sagazen. Halaya Place. Place. Village. Sarap be. Sarap talaga. Pwede kita ligawan. No. Halan na. Bobby won't be sending anything now. What? Pag Bisaya mo diha. I'm not Bisaya, Tommy. Jerry House is already engaged to get married. Thank you, tita. Where are you from, be? I'm from the Philippines. I'm from Philippines, Tommy. Hi, Rick. Sure, change your channel name to Sheryl is married. Keep scrolling. Bicol. Bicol nga. Bicol. Tommy. Cheryl. Hi, Rick. Pag Bisaya, sad mo diha. Tita. Good evening, Cheryl. How are you doing today? Hi, guys. I'm going live now. Like, I like seeing your name, Cheryl. Thank you, Rick. Why? Welcome back, guys. Crumpy. Hi, team from Gaz. Magandang hapon from London. From Rick. That's why I don't do live. I'm brutally honest and don't take this. I wouldn't have any view. Yes. Oh my God. John Paul Delaut. Gab, nag-live ako, Gab. Hello, beautiful, good-looking darling. Ano? What it means? Hopsek. Hopsek. Astorias, grabe galikon ngalan mo afam, ginabasa dayon. Ano daw? Astorias. Wala ko lang ka.
Bakal mga
Hmm.
29 lang.
Hmm.
Hindi yun sa yellow basket.
Hmm.
Baka lang.
Ngayon na?
Opo.
Ano i-search?
Oh, piso lang.
Yan ang mga ka-search ko.
Wala. Mamay size mo lang. Medyas.
Medyas?
Medyas 1 pesos.
Hmm. Astorias, sayang talaga. Ano ba yun? Yes. Yes, the rice spoon. Yes, I eating that with the rice spoon. Spoon. Hi, Kitty Pie. Harshit, hi. Grabe mo, Alba. Ano? Ano yun, Astorias? Gaba kaliman ako sin ano? Sin cook mismo. Kaya
Dua.
ikaw gusto mo? Kaya nito na. Review. Kapita mo ano?
Dua.
Hmm.
Bali 45. Tapos,
Malang. Ikaw, kung magbakal kasi mas kinama. Okay lang. Ha?
ikaw.
Abo ka man?
44.
Gandang gabi, idol po. Pa-shoutout po. Shoutout to Tammy Cabrera, Abelanyosa. Hi po. Shoutout to you from Sheryl. Okay, you to be safe traveling, Tito and Tita. No, Tito, not Toto. It's Tito. Yes, the Tito. Keep safe po. I'm back. Hi, Junior Garza. Thanks, Team Taker. Daniel Gandara. Hello from California, USA. I know fix it. I love blocking mods. Why? Hi, babe, girl. Easy chica. What means? It's funny. It's funny. How doing? I'm doing fine. Junior, I can kiss. Oh, why you deleted? Oh my god, Tim. I already read it. Tim, why is it? Oh, bawal dito. Dito ka
Ay.
lang. Ito na. I can kick pala yun. Not kiss. I am from California and you, I am from Philippines. I thought you kissed him. Oh my god. No, it's not a junk food. It's a Coke. My god, not junk food. Look, not junk food. Gab. Wanna nice to meet you. I know that kid. Junk drink. Yes, junk drink. Not what needs this late. I think he my son. Oh my god. I want to marry a Filipino woman. So bad I can't read. What? Gab, paluwayan yung Gab.
Wala mo gusto. Nagbibilag ako.
Dito yun sa luwas. From India. No, but nobody cares din niya. Oh my god. Junior, be nice. Oh my god. Junior, you better be nice. Yes. Be nice. Can I marry you? Will you marry me tonight? I will too. Oh my god. Ow. No, Daniel, she's taken. Gab, ibuklad mo na yung Kuya Gab. Kuya Gab, nakimaturog ka na naman.
Nag-inom ko nga.
Dali na kasi, matuturog ka.
Wala ko nag-inom.
Mag-ano ka na, dali na, kay mahorida na ako, kay maturog na kita. I'm not a good guy, I'm not a bad guy. I'm the guy. Ayun lang. Thank you for the 43. But it doesn't cost anything to dream. I can share. What? Hi, Joram. Holding your dream big. I can share. I just want to make her happy. Wow. It is the night or morning in your country. Night here, Durano. My kids are the same way. Hi, Titan Speaker Mom. Hi, Titan. Good evening, Mom. Shout out, Hello, Lighty. Shout out to you, Mario Latrera from Palo Leyte. Look at the beautiful smile. Oh, is who? Psalm 47, one strike done. Hi, Tan Speaker Man. Hello to you. Thank you for, ano. Oh my, why are you awake at the night? Yes, not, yeah, I'm still awake. 9:14 at in the evening here. I can hear forever. Danger. Wow. Gano'n ka na. What us? Guys, hit the like button. Ma'am, kain tayo ulam ko manok. May sabaw, ma'am. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me. I already eat na. I already ate. Oh my god. Have a good night. Hope you will dream of me. The OTC. OTC. I'm back. More like a nightmare than yell. Lol. What is the time over there? Time here now. 9:16 in the evening. Look how her hair falls on her face. It's beautiful. Grabe na to. Grabe naman pangbobola to. Palantaw bila na no? Ay, grabe naman to. Ayan. May kumakalat. May asong pakalat-kalat. May aso, may naliligaw na aso. Bawal po aso dito. Palantaw-lantaw ka pa nalaman. Bawal po aso. Sorry. Junior, be careful. Psalm 47. I have 3 ex-wife and 3 kids. So what? Who cares, Junior? Oh my God. Beat for now, my love. I will miss you. Is even a Lorda? Tell me you love me. Oh my God, Daniel. Where are you from, Daniel? Gandara. Junior, you're on thin. See you yung sa likod mo. Wala, unan yan. Unan. Ito si Bear. Aray ko. May aray. May bear. Ala. Ala. Long Beach. Long. I'm from Texas. Oh, you're from Texas, Junior? Oh my God. Long Beach. Bikini. Hi, Philip. What part, Junior? What part of the Texas you live? You need to be nice, Junior. Oh my God. Someday. Oops. Yes, I bought a bikini. I think not fit with me because uh oh my God, I don't know how to wear it. Nobody miss with Texas. Why? We're going to Pink Floyd. Meron sa taas. Huh? Ayoko, nananakot ka eh. Have to work right now. Bye, Daniel Gandara. Take care. Good night. I have a good day to you, Miss or Miss Junior. See you later. Oh my God. My sister knows the Donald Trump. Oh my God. So you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pound. And I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Thank you, 19 people. Mini hugs and kisses for you. Oh, thank you, Danielle. So, Junior, I know him too. Try it. You see. Oh my God. I can't. Where's mine? I think it's. I can't wear. Oh my God. I just joined and here a bikini. Junior 7. Hello. Oh my God. I am good. I don't know about you. Oh boy. Astorius, palitin ko ng Astorius sa ngalan account to. Para lagi mabasa ang comment ko. Ba, grabe naman. Grabe ka naman. Astorius. Binabasa ko naman lahat. Huwag ka naman ganyan. Tampo. Tampo na yun. Binabasa na scroll ko. Kaso nga lang, meron ba akong hindi nababasa? Sorry guys. Sorry na. I'm good. Is this the flip yesterday? Flip? Try bikini so we can see. Okay, Junior, that's it. My sisters. No, Donald Trump. You're done. No, it's another. It's over with. Some you are. Huh? We're blocked. Philip, relax. What's going on here, huh? Yes, Bert, come on. You promise. Yeah, and wait, Philip, wait. Calm down. I need to prepare myself. Oh, you just blocked Sam. Why you block him? He was annoying. Why? Philip, stop or you will never see it. Oh my God. Why you block Sam? Sam is getting deported. Why? My God. We're hitting another 50 likes today. Pwede ako no, hindi matabig, Jerry. Sabafo, bonjour, Sam annoying. Nobody likes him. Nobody cares. Why? Tim? Sam is... Oh, stop, Junior. Why? What, Junior? Sam. I'm not prepared going tonight. Oh my god. You mean shout my name so? I mean, Junior. Is it Junior Garza? Junior 7. You have two Junior. Junior Garza or Junior 7? No, another Junior. Yes, and Junior Garza. I wait or not? You promise? Come on. I think, ano. Oh my God. Wait. Okay. Give me a few minutes. I wear. Oh my God. Pagkain na ito na binakal ko talaga. May naman kayo dito na binakal ko na ano. Oh. Hindi. Wait lang. Okay, Meron. Oh my God. No more Junior. Flip, I said stop. No, it's okay. It's challenge accepted, right? So it's okay, team. So it's okay. Wait. Oh my God, I forgot where I put the. May naman ka didi. Pag ano mo gab, may naman ka na. Ayan.
Ayan, da.
Ang pangit. The bikini. Pangit. Like. Well, it's okay. She promised. It's okay, Tim. It's okay. It's fine. She's going to dress up. Yes, I dress off. Dong looks fancy. Don't change on camera. Of course, I don't change on camera. I don't change on camera. Oh my God. Of course not. Change on camera. I need to change the background, of course. Guys, clean comments on your be nice, guys. Oh my God. Hirap magkumita ng pera. Guys, Gab, dito ka muna ha. Gab, dito ka muna ha. Wait, I need to change. I need to, kung may babalik ko lamang panahon at ang oras, I need somebody who can love me at my waist. I need to the good background. What a beach. I need a beach. Where's the beach? Oh my God. Oh, no, 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 it's not. No, it's not. Oh my god. Wait, I need the screen. The background. I need to... The background. Oh my god. I hate this. No. The ano eh, you need to... Ayan mo na nga. No, 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 no. I need somebody who can love me out my words. Oh my god. My phone is hung. Not cooperate my phone. Oh my gulay. Me. Ay siya. Relax. It's not serious. Wait. Philip, Ivan. Wait lang. It's a wait. Don't fight each other. Oh my god. I don't like fighting, you know. Oh my god. Oh. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh well, Philip is gone. No respect. No, you're not. Don't what? Need to light. Oh, why? Why you hide Philip? Oh, you hide him. Need light. Why you hide? Oh my god. Relax, team. It's not serious. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, what happened? Just change. I'm not nice. Oh my god. Oh my gulay. What happened? Goodbye, guys. What happened? I get some double. Okay, I change now. Okay, I change. Okay, guys. Wait. I need to change. Oh my god. The bikini is not fit for me. Sir Chris, hello. Wait. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Wait lang. Preparing. No, not prepared. My boobs. Yeah. Good. Look, not fit. Not fit. The ano, the bikini. Wait, I wear. 行。 Just a few minutes. Bye. Thank you. Sexy sayang. It's quite fancy, more fancy, but more like a top. more like a top. Turn around. That was only 5 yes. 5 seconds. Oh my gosh. It's not the one I would chosen for you. Yes. No bikini here. No, no available. If have a bikini, I will turn off the green skin if you're done. Yeah. Oh my god. Yes. I need to get you a different one. Yeah. No available bikini here. Ouch. Yes. Choose for me. Choose bikini for me. Ako, what me? See more. I like the color of looks good on you, but not sexy. Not sexy enough. Sorry, Papa, that's all you will see. Yeah. I'm searching bikini here, but no available. Maybe need to go to the city and find a good bikini. That's why. Sugar mommy. Kuya, pakilak man sa tuho tabi.
Ako yung mangkok mo.
Ouch.
Ako yung mangkok mo.
Sige lang.
Ha?
Sige lang.
More.
I guess we can find one in Boracay. Yes, in Boracay, no problem. Thank you, Junior 7. Wrong spell. Boracay. We can find. Yeah, Boracay is a very good beach there. Beautiful beach. No, 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 no. Boracay and Dumaguete. Where Boracay? I don't know where's the place in Boracay. Maybe, I don't know. Hindi pa na ako nakapunta sa Boracay. I'm not yet going there in Boracay. Not yet going there. No, I think in Cebu area. Huh? Cebu? You go there before, team? Okay. Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Take care. God bless you.
Bye-bye. Ayaw mo na.
No? No?
Pagod na.
Thank you for 50 likes. Hello, sexy. It's okay. No, I don't go there. Why? Okay, bye guys. I need to sleep now. Bye. Thank you guys for joining here. Thank you so much. I feel sleepy now. Bye. Oh my god, for the 19 people. We will see you tomorrow. I'm going live tomorrow again. Bye. Love you all. Good night.